Good morning, everyone. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to this channel. My name still remains Alema Bob TV, and I'm going to take you through Mendely citations, how to use Mendely for citation. The first step you have to do is you have to go to your Mendely application and you log in using your email. Let me use my email to log in. This is my email I used to register the account. The email is invalid. Let me try again. I've again tried here. Let me continue to see whether you can log in. It has brought for me the email is correct again. Here it is now logging and it has brought for me password. Go with my password. Can see here the password is correct. That's why it is logging. Can see here Mendely is now open. For you to use Mendely in citation, you have to add them manually, or you can use an identifier, or you can use Mendely web importer, and you can lastly use your PDF. For instance, I'm going to use PDF here. I'll come to my references, add the references, say import file, and it will bring from its file. For instance, this is the article I want to upload about this one, atomic habit. This one, click on it, you will see here it's already uploaded. This one you are using PDF. You can see it is already 100% uploaded. You can see here it has come here. The author is Clear James. You can see here this is when you are using PDF. The other is when you add them manually. You can add them manually. For instance, the author is here. You just write the name and you save, and it will come here. And the other one is when you are using Mendely web importer. For instance, this Mendely of mine, the sign for Mendely web importer is not here, and it is supposed to be at this site, where you just click on it and you go direct to your article. And when you are adding them manually, you will first open your article. You can go to your article. For instance, my article is not here. I can go and search the article, and I look for the article. You have article from download here, science articles. This one I can open. There is article about COVID-19 pandemic. It is here. So when you want to add them manually, for example, author, this is the author. I'll just copy. I'll copy this one and I go to Mendely and I also paste it. Go to Mendely and I'll paste it. That's when you are dealing with the manual addition. So this is all with Mendely citation. Thanks for listening. My name still remain Alemabob Tibio. Thanks for liking my YouTube channel.